Hello chemistry students. I'm going to go over the weekly overview for week number 6, February 22nd to 26th. So the good news is that I'm going to see many of you likely either on Wednesday or Thursday next week in person. So that should be interesting. I'm going to go over the weekly overview through my calendar here. Because it has the details that I want you to be aware of. So first of all, for SDL, you can revise checkpoints. I'm going to add that to the list of self-directed learning options, but I have posted keys in the learning folder, so you could also be reviewing keys for acid-base POGIL or dimensional analysis, or the checkpoint 5 that we went over this week. I put the results for the calculations in the key so you can compare your numbers to the key. So the acid-base POGIL is great to understand some formulas. So for later on when you prepare for the acid-base chemistry 1 focus area, it should help you. To keep in mind, you have a deadline coming up, which is the conservation of mass power focus area due on Friday, February 26th, and participation points for attempting it and or passing it will be awarded. All right, so please try to attempt it so by the deadline, and I hope you can pass it in the first time. If you understood checkpoint 2, which was about balancing equations and the conservation of mass, you should be doing well on that power focus area. So on Tuesday, we will go over how to construct an evidence-based explanation of the seashell investigation. I will use class slides to go over what a claim evidence reasoning paragraph looks like and an example as well. On Wednesday, it's going to be in person. It's going to be a short class, but we're going to try to make a solution, baking soda solution, and do some calculations around it and a few measurements. In the afternoon, you should allocate some time to do some homework, since our classes on Wednesdays are so short. We're not going to have a full session, as you can understand it. So you should be working a little bit more on chemistry in the afternoon. For example, finish your paragraph that you will be starting on Tuesday. And on Thursday, the plan is to start working on a checkpoint 6 FET activity to study the difference between strong and weak acids and bases, and also make some calculation of percent dissociation. And that's about it. That checkpoint 6 FET activity will only be due on the following week on Tuesday, March 2nd. So I will talk to you soon. Oh wait, I just want to mention again that there are a few resources in that learning folder, including some keys and the assignments to come and the slides that we go over on Tuesday. I will talk to you soon.